Hi friends, welcome to WP Themes channel, a channel dedicated to WordPress themes, plugins and its utilities. So today I am with a very simple and good looking theme called RTTheme. So RTTheme 17 is a responsive WordPress theme, and it is a very old theme. In fact, it was initially developed in 2012 and regular updates is also being done. You can see the theme was developed by the ST McCann and they are Power Elite authors. If we talk about the demo, this is the demo of RTTheme 17 and it is a very simple and traditional look website, and it is very minimal. So if you have planned to make a website with minimal features, this can be a right catch for you. In the today era, simplicity works well in many areas, many segments. So this is a very simple look and effective theme, and you can see it is presenting simply all the things. It has WooCommerce feature and it is working very fast because it has been used as minimal features, minimal layout distractions, and it has all the features which shall be in a website but shown in a very typical and minimal and simple way. So if you like such layouts, it will be a great choice for your visitors as well. So let us start the installation of RTTheme 17. For this I have a fresh installation of WordPress having 2020 default WordPress theme, and I have theme pack having documentation, dummy content, and dummy content title and widgets has been given, licensing PSD files, and RTTheme 17 main file, theme file. So we can start the installation now. Come to the WordPress dashboard, appearance, themes, add new, upload theme, browse RTTheme zip, RTTheme 17 zip, and if you have direct access of your server, you can directly upload in WP content themes folder. I am doing the same to save some time. And it is a very lightweight theme, 8.26 MB in size, so it will take hardly 30 seconds to upload. Once uploaded, we need to extract the RTTheme 17 folder. Now we have RTTheme folder here with us. So now we can delete the RTTheme 17 zip folder because we are not going to use it further. I'll come to the WordPress panel and theme section. We have now RTTheme 17 here. We can check the theme details. RTTheme 17 by toggle can and activate it, please. It is RTTheme 17 2.9.9, and it needs only one plugin, that is revolution slider. This is why I am recommending this theme. A theme having no plugin or minimum plugin works best always. It is evident truth for WordPress, and it has been proven records as well. So this theme is not loaded with any additional plugins, and it works on its code only. This is the main feature of this theme, and this is why it is good to choose with. So now since we have uploaded the theme, activated the theme and plugin, we can have a look of website. This is the website without any content or demo content. Now next comes to the demo content, importing of demo content. So we are in RTTheme 17 theme option section, and it has, in this theme does not have any one-click demo import like feature, and that should not be. I never believe it that should be in any theme, in fact. So that is for attracting the users only, that causes complication at last. So I never recommend even to import demo content in the websites, but here we are demonstrating the complete theme. This is why we need a demo content for this. For importing demo, we have the demo dummy content in the theme folder. So widgets and dummy content in XML, widgets file. We can import the dummy from the tools section of WordPress. So go to the tools, import, and install WordPress importer here and run importer, and browse RTTheme dummy content.xml. One, upload file and import, assign user, download and import attachments, and click on submit. All done, have fun. So next is importing the revolution slider. Manual import, go to the revolution and import, and hit on manual import, dummy content folder, get the rt17 demo.zip, open it, and it has been done. Now in the folder widgets is remaining, so readme is here. Importing website widgets, you can import the using 3 widget importer and exporter plugin is required for importing this. We will delete that plugin after using that, because that is a one-time use plugin. Add new plugin, widget importer and exporter, it should be the same as activate. Widget importer exporter, import browse widgets WIE file, open, import widgets, back, since it does not work, so we can copy and paste the WIE file, open with a notepad, select all, Ctrl C, just paste and import widgets. Click on import widgets. That is fine, it has been imported, and whatever not exist not imported, what was required has been imported. Now we have completed the import, dummy content import as well, and now we can deactivate the plugin. Dummy importer and WordPress importer not required now. We can delete it. Now we can take a look at our website. Yes, it has been completed. So images are not provided in the dummy data, and all functionalities is working fine. It is really a very lightweight and nice theme. If you love the simplicity, this is the theme which you should choose. And if you love a fast loading website, this is another reason to choose this theme. Everything is good as required in this theme. And if you need to use shop portion, can use the WooCommerce, and this is a WooCommerce compatible theme. So in the demo process it was not told, so I have not demonstrated the same, but you can use the WooCommerce as well. So this is the demo from the theme developer. And if we install the WooCommerce, we can import the dummy content, and with the dummy the shop materials will also come. That is not a problem, and we have completed our installation. So we can recheck our website. This is our website, and everything is fine in the demo and import process. So we have completed the required setup. Information and the activity. Now we can have a look of theme panel, what controls has been given in RTTheme 17. All options are here. General option, template builder. You can even change multiple things here, home page template and all, layout, structuring, etc. Header options, footer options, background options, typography, styling options, menu styling options, sidebar creator, blog option, and you can understand all the controls has been given to you, and you can customize your website as you need it in a very simple and effective manner. So product options are also here, styling options, and setup assistant is also here. If you need any support, it is available here only, so you need not think where to find the solution of any problem. But as I am also available, if you feel any difficulty, write in the video discussion section. I will definitely try to help you out, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. I'm going to bring wonderful themes and plugins for you with WordPress working tips. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time.